Hey students, it's Miss Vernon, and I just wanted to throw together this very short video. Some of the Math Excel questions weren't covered fully in the video because we didn't have the graphing calculator on that device. So I wanted just to talk about this. It says use the calculator to evaluate this expression. We know we're looking for some number to the power of 5 that equals 1024, but it does say to use the calculator. So I'm just going to grab my calculator from the bottom of my screen. And there's two ways to do this. One way is to write it as a rational power, which is taking 1024 and then raising it to the 1 divided by 5 power, the 1/5 power. So that's one way to do this problem. That's, again, using that rational exponent idea that we learned in the Edpuzzle. The other way that you can do it on your calculator is under the Math button. There is an option down here that is number 5, and it's X root. And when you type that in, it will let you actually put in any index number, and then you can type in your 1024, and when you hit enter, again, you get 4. So again, on Math Excel, some of those are going to ask for you to do that. Again, if I press in that 4, it's going to check my answer and say, woo, we got it, yes, and we move on to the next question. Now with Math Excel, if you go back to that previous question, it's going to tell us that we got it correct. Usually it puts a big green check mark there, but I am in the preview mode, so that's probably why it's not doing that. Again, using the calculator, you can just raise it to that fractional power. If you have an older model, you just put it in parentheses. That's how you do that. And then I'm just making sure there weren't any other questions. So this one is actually having you break it down just like we did in the video. So breaking down 64, looking for groups of 4 X's, and pulling those out. If you ever get stuck on Math Excel, under the question help up here, you can hit help me solve or view an example. The view an example will actually walk you through it and kind of mimic the problem or the process you would go through. And you just kind of read the directions. It's very similar to how I would explain it if I were walking you through it myself. If you hit help me solve the question, it's going to mark it wrong, and then you'll have to do another problem to get credit for it. So just a couple things that I thought I'd show you about Math Excel. And then again, about the graphing calculator. There's a lot of features under this math option. We're going to continue to use them under math as well as under number that will pop up in the next couple of days throughout class. But I thought this would help for some of you who might be having trouble. All right, have a great day. Good luck with your A1 Radicals and Rational Exponents assignment. And I look forward to seeing you in class again. Bye.